Hey everyone! It's me, nixpau channel. So for today's video, magluluto ako ng aking version ng Filipino Spaghetti. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa for sure kasi alam niyo na kung ano ang Filipino Spaghetti. So let's go guys and let's start cooking! So guys, I have my hot dog here. As you can see, ang cute ng hot dog ko, diba? Ang liit. So, let's cut it diagonally. Hot dog, 8 pieces of cocktail hot dog. Next guys, I have 3 cloves of garlic. Ano lang natin to, balatan lang natin kasi pag ako'y gumagawa ng aking spaghetti, I want it grated as well as the onion. Grated garlic, 3 cloves. Next is the onion. It weighs 60 grams. Onion, 60 grams. We have our ground beef, 350 grams. 1.5 cup of banana ketchup.
1 pack of Del Monte Sweet Style Spaghetti sauce.
Half bar of 165 grated cheese. 1 cup of water. So guys, our water is already boiling. Let's put the pasta. Let's cook it. Kaya ba to? Ganun. Percent tong. This pasta is 1 pack of 400 grams Del Monte pasta. So guys, our pan is already hot like me. Joke. So let's put oil. Only small amount of oil because our beef will have its oil later. Yan. Pwede na to. Pwede na yan nixpau. Then first, let's put our grated onion. Followed by our ground beef. Okay, ground beef. Next would be our garlic. Saute. Then our hotdog. Ay, hotdog pala. Hotdog. Hotdog. Saan ba kasi yan? Nauso kasi ang hotdog eh.
Oh no!
Yan. So, ayan guys, naluluto na ang ating ground beef as well as the hot dog. Let's put some pinch of salt, pinch of salt. Then, also a pinch of pepper. Okay. Okay, let's put our sweet style spaghetti sauce. This is what I want in my spaghetti. sweet style. Next is the water, 1 cup. Ayan. Haluin ulit natin siya. Halo natin. Next is the banana ketchup. Ayan. To add more color as well as flavor. Grated cheese. Ayan, para matunaw na siya dyan. Matunaw na siya, ma-blend sa ating sauce. Next is the 1/8 cup of sugar. So guys, this is our finished product. Have a nice day. Naman ako sa aking pagluluto for today's video. If you like what I did for today's video, don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell button para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. And also guys, I have my new channel which is nixpau vlog. Please also do support it. Nasa baba ang kanyang link. Guys, please also support Notch E Channels, ang aking editor-director. Nasa baba ang kanyang link in the description box. Thank you, and I hope that you enjoyed watching for today's video. You can also drop your comments below guys para kung meron kayong mga ideas, let's see if we can work it out. Bye guys! Thank you!